We are pleased to show you the 2013 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power steering, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, trip computer, child safety locks, clock, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.